Swag me up.
I wake up about 12 noon, cause I'm an Argoon, exposing all you fake motherfuckers like a dark room. If you didn't know, I say it's LS up. I'm yelling, God save the queen, I'm so LS punk. Like speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going hammer, blammer, blammer, blammer. Speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Yeah, bitch, it's UTV, feel me? They say they haven't heard from Speaky in Ohio. I make my tune go sonic boom and flip it like I'm Gaio. Street Fighter 2 steez, go and put your quarter in. Black rehab sweater, go and put your order in. I'm getting weed from the Tijuana border, and one puff, get them how they feeling like they born again. Christian, no, I am on the vision quest. I'm sipping hella bro, cause it's the fucking best. I wish that I could rap like Kendrick Lamar. Psych, I wish I was on drugs, getting drunk at the bar. Hollering at white bitches like I'm Chico DeBarge. See me calling all the shots in my Charles in charge. Prince Charles the First, I'm royalty with my first real princess. That's a part of the curse. Life ain't nothing but a stargaze, car chase, photo op, until you get your brains blown like RoboCop. Waking up at noon and I'm feeling like an art goon, exposing all you fake motherfuckers like a dark room. If you didn't know, I say it's LS up. I'm yelling, God save the queen, I'm so LS punk. Like speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going hammer, hammer. Fuck, can't you motherfuckers? I'm fucking going hammer right now. My ego getting big, my bank account is matching. You plastic on no band, I sit back and I just imagine. I ain't no Rick Ross, my girls are thick. Pasha, David Beckham, wreck 'em, then I tell them bitches get lost. Oh, the irony, hipster girls desire me. She really wanna be my muse, but only I inspire me. Egotistical, but never been predictable. Dastardly despicable, but I'm a man of principle. Baby, I think I'm something you ain't ever seen. Evergreen or ketamine, designer my designer jeans, bro. So why you fucking with the terry cloth? Head to toe, all black, speaking looking very goth. Boys don't cry, of this I'm sure. So I don't paint my fucking face or listen to The Cure. But I'm pretty sure that you'll be hearing more of me. Pompadour, shirtless, swagging like I'm Morrissey. Waking up at noon and I'm feeling like an art goon, exposing all you fake motherfuckers like a dark room. If you didn't know, I say it's LS up. I'm yelling, God save the queen, I'm so LS punk. Like speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going hammer, 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 hammer. Speakers going, I told you bitches, I've been going hammer. UTV lifestyle, what up Dre, what up CJ, what up Theo, what up After One, free Charles Manson, rest in peace Owen Hart, free V Nasty, we out here, motherfucking art goons, Southside, Eastside, Pope killers, feel me? Fuck the Pope, Vatican status baby, we out here, Scientology gang, what it do? Shit!